Hey guys, Carl here with Adventures of Carlienne. Now the first dish on our Hawaiian at Home series is going to be Chicken Katsu. It's probably one of the most popular Hawaiian plate lunches that's always ordered at any takeout spot. And what makes a really good Chicken Katsu is not even the katsu itself, it's more like the sauce, right? If that sauce is money, then the whole thing's gonna be really good. Now I wanted to share with you how I make it, and I hope you really like it. If you do, obviously like the video, subscribe to our channel, and spread the love. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, time to get your katsu on. All we're gonna need today is flour, eggs, panko, and your chicken. And for the sauce, you're gonna need shoyu, sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and ketchup. Now the first thing we're gonna do is heat up our frying oil. I had some left over from a last batch, but you can use a fresh one if you want to. Now, before we get messy, we're gonna go ahead and separate 1.5 cups of seasoned flour, our 2 beaten eggs, and 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs into separate dishes. Now make sure these dishes are big enough so you have like a little room to, do your thing, because it'll get really messy and you don't wanna be like digging underneath the wet chicken and trying to dig for some panko just because you didn't have any room. Learn from my mistakes. Clearly I didn't have any room. Now going step by step, the first thing we're going to do with the chicken is just dredge it into the flour, get it nice and coated. Then you're going to dip it into the egg wash and make sure all the flour bits are gone. So my little technique with the panko is just to grab some with the dry hand and then sprinkle it right on top so then you can try to pack it on there nice and tight. Now that's the key, is to pack it good. Now when your oil's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to go ahead and place your chicken gently into the frying pan. Now I'm a big fan of shallow frying versus deep frying just because it's the lesser of two evils. But if you want to deep fry, that's totally okay. It's your kitchen. You're the chef of it. Now when it's nice and golden brown on the bottom, go ahead and flip that chicken. Now what we're looking for is about 158 degrees Fahrenheit of internal temperature on that chicken. And carryover cooking will do the rest of it and taking it up to 165 degrees. Now you can put it on a parchment paper or one of those wire racks so it can drain out some of the excess oil, because that shit's nasty. And continue to fry until all your chicken pieces are done and resting. For the sauce, all we're going to do is combine an 1/8 cup of shoyu, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Get it all mixy, then set it aside while you plate the rest of the dish out. Now the way I like to plate this is you get your 2 scoops of rice, your shredded cabbage, then your 1 scoop or 2 scoops of mac salad, then you grab that nice golden brown chicken katsu, get it sliced up, place it right on top of that shredded cabbage, and enjoy your meal. Oh, don't forget your sauce. And there you have it. That's Hawaiian at Home Chicken Katsu edition. I really hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on this journey, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.